Hi everyone, thank you for joining the Art Please channel. This is another tutorial about speedball printing. Today we're going to go over techniques, so let's jump into it. First things first, number one, let's make sure you're using the smallest tool first, and you want to outline the area that you're going to carve. Very important to go very slow and take your time. Number two, don't do what I'm doing. Make sure you carve away from yourself. Best technique situation is to carve away from yourself. You're less prone to injury and it's a lot safer. So when you're carving, do not do what I'm doing and carve away from yourself. With that said, if you have to carve away from yourself or towards yourself, excuse me, and you feel more comfortable that way, go ahead and do it. Just again, take your time, make sure your hand is not in the way, and be careful not to injure yourself. Number three, I would say is probably very important, but not the most important. Once you finish everything, you want to go with maybe one of your larger tools and start carving out bigger chunks if necessary. Okay. That is all the techniques that I have so far for you. Listen, it's not very difficult. It takes time and it takes practice. If you don't get your hands dirty and you don't start carving and practicing, you're not going to get better at it. You can watch all the videos you want, but again, until you do it, you don't know. I'm going to speed up the video to the end so you can see the finished product. And then on the next video, I'll go over stamping. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Have a great day.